Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to the new video on LLM. So this is a part of Agentic AI series that we are creating, and previously we have also created video on Generative AI. So this is the next logical video on LLM. Okay. So let's see what actually LLM is. But before that, you probably have used ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Copilot. They can write email, they can explain complex topics, summarize documents, generate code, even help you to prepare for your interviews. But what power all these applications? So the answer is something called as LLM. The full form of LLM is large language model. So in this video, we will try to understand what an LLM is, why it is called large, why it is called as language, why it is model, or how it actually generates text. So in last video, we have learned that generative AI is a broad category of AI that creates new content. And LLM is one of the type of generative AI specially designed for understand and generate human language. So LLM is an AI model trained on enormous amounts of text so that it can understand, predict, and generate human language. Okay, so if you ask it in human language, it will respond you with some prediction, with some reasoning in again into human language. Okay, so it is made up of three words. First one is large. Large refers to several things like billions or trillions of parameter, massive training data set, huge computational resource. So large means the model has learned from an enormous amount of text using a very large neural network. Okay. Then we have language because it works with language. Example: Hindi, English, Marathi, Spanish, programming languages, SQL, HTML, JSON, anything. So language isn't limited to spoken language. Code is also a language with its own syntax and rule. Okay, then we have a model. So model is simply a mathematical system that has learned patterns from the data and can make product predictions. So together they form large language model, a very large AI model trained to understand and generate language. That's all. Okay. So what LLMs can do? So it can do anything. Okay, whatever you can think, it can do everything. Like it can write email, blogs, PDF, answer any question, summarization, translate, generate code, reasoning. It can do anything. Okay, so there are a number of LLMs currently. Like for OpenAI, we have GPT 4.0, GPT 5 family. For Anthropic, we have Claude. Google, we have Gemini. Meta, we have Llama. Mistral AI, we have Mistral. DeepSeek, we have DeepSeek. So there are a lot of LLM models available. Okay. Now, um, also, let me give you some analogy. Like traditional softwares, we have some rules and they give output. If the conditions are met, it execute a predefined logic. But LLMs have the training, they learn pattern, they generate a response. So instead of following a manual written rules, they learn statistical patterns from vast amount of text. Okay, so they can also hallucinate. They use outdated knowledge if not connected to current information. They struggle with ambiguous prompts. They reflect biases present in training data. Um, so generally, you might be hearing this like LLM is essentially a next token predictor. What actually is a next token predictor is, for example, you gave an input like the capital of France is, the model predicts Paris. Then it predicts the next token, then the next, and one prediction at a time. Eventually, you get your final response like the capital of France is Paris. This is a simple idea that predicting the next token repeatedly, it somehow produces surprisingly intelligent conversations. Okay, so that's why this term is really important, and LLM is essentially a next token predictor. Okay. Um, Now the next topic that you might be thinking about is how does actually LLM work under the hood? Okay, because for as of now we have seen what LLMs can do, where they can go wrong. It just a next token predictor? What are the different LLMs available? Uh, what LLMs can do? What is large language model? But now, as we know what actually LLM is, now we are going to see how actually a LLM work under the hood. So that will be for the next video. So till then, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, anything, if you just if you have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. In the next video, we are going to explore how actually LLM works under the hood. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.